Hi, and welcome back to another Workshop Wednesday. I'm Emma, a wellness coach, and I work for Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions under licensed mental health counselor Jennifer Evans. And so in our workshops, we do activities, meditations, whatever it is for learning more about wellness. And today we're going to be doing a little revisit of childhood. And so for this exercise, you need a piece of paper, a marker or pen, and a pair of scissors. So today we're going to be making snowflakes, and this is a reminder that we are unique, we are individuals, just like snowflakes. When you see a snowflake out in nature, none of them are like the rest, and that's just like you and me. So just maintaining this intention throughout the cutting, and we'll start off with our sheet of paper. And before we fold it, actually, we're going to take out our pen or pencil, whatever you have, marker, and we're going to write down our intention for coming to either outside or coming to this video where we're really thinking about our wellness, we're thinking about our goals, and in this moment we can think about our why. Why do we show up for ourselves? So take a moment now to write this down. Maybe you want to draw a little picture on it, or a little representation or symbol of what this means for you. And this is going to take a new shape, take a new perspective as we cut and fold our paper. So take your sheet of paper, fold it in half, and fold it in half one more time. Now you can change the way you're folding it. It doesn't have to be exactly in half. Maybe you want to get crazy and just fold it a new way. And then one time more. So we'll have 4 folds total. Okay, so now that we have our folds, we'll take our pair of scissors, and as a reminder, we're both getting the same instructions right now, but what is special about this is that our snowflakes are going to come out completely different. So we've both done 4 folds, and now we're going to cut our snowflake in 5 different places. And you want to make sure you get each side of what you're working with. So and your intention here will take a new form. It will become the same intention, but it might look a little different. All right, I have one more cut. So I accidentally just cut a piece off of my snowflake, and that's okay. That's a reminder that that is okay, that sometimes art takes us in new places. So I have 5 cuts now on here, and I'm gonna open up my snowflake for you. You can open up yours. Wow, so here's my snowflake. I noticed that my intention actually stayed intact. You can still read it, which is really cool. And yeah, so if you have made a snowflake and you'd like to share it with us, you can either email us or DM us on Instagram. We'll have more in the caption on this. So thanks for joining me today on this snowflake revelation, as a reminder that, one, we can create, and also that we are each unique, even when we're given the exact same instructions or we see the exact same event happen. Our perspective is ours to keep and ours to hold. So hold your perspective this week and embrace the uniqueness that is you. Thanks for joining me today. See you next week.